This is my crew so far in my little bird watching sanctuary outside the front of my house. I have one squirrel there. And these are famous squirrels. There's another one right there. They really like this bird feed. And there's another one right up here. There's three of them. They come over from the rock star's house, which is behind my property, and it's basically the rock star's mansion is a huge, it's like a forest, and they come over and they climb on all the trees to get over to get some food. So I got that one. This pagoda, it's lighted. It was put in in 1967. There's another one right there. So I got 3 squirrels. I'm feeding them because it's winter and I'm trying to help them. And then I have 2 bird feeders with, I have these little sparrows that it looks like, and actually I've got a pair of chickadees and 2 doves and a quail. And oh, these birds come after these are jaybirds or mockingbirds or something like that. They're big blue ones, jaybirds. And he's coming over right there, as you can see. Where'd he go? Oh, he's sitting right there. They come over and they look through. Ooh, there's another squirrel. They look through the peanuts and see which size is appropriate for them. And I didn't know this, but they take the peanuts and they swallow them whole. So it is December 23rd. Oh, there's one. There's another one. Haven't seen any raccoons yet. There's a couple of babies that come over that are yearlings. And I think their mother just left them to die. And so those are the ones I'm really trying to feed. Alright, there's 3 right there. Yeah. Oh, 3, and there's one down there. Right here on the pagoda. And that pagoda was put in 1967, and it has a light that actually works, that is turned on from inside. So there's 4 squirrels right there. 3 on top and 1 right here. They're actually pretty democratic about getting food. Okay.